Yo, what's up? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at DW Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at the Aiper S1 Pro. Now, with this particular unit, we're going to be doing the unboxing, setup, and the demonstration. So for those of you out there who happen to be swimming pool owners, families that have either in-ground, above pool, and so on, you tech enthusiasts, and on top of the economic concerns and keeping the peace of mind of being economically friendly, keeping your pool real clean with a lot of performance. So in this package, we're getting our paperwork, some helpful information, and also you're going to want to download the Aiper app. Now, we get a simple retrieving hook that you can use for your, essentially your pool net, charging cable. We get the Aiper S1 Pro. Now, as far as the design on this particular unit, this is essentially out of the box, ready to go. So I've already downloaded the Aiper app. And I've also set up my Aiper account. Oh, adding VR QR code. All right. Allow. Oh, we've already got it. Oh my goodness, guys, how easy is that? Can you see this? This thing is awesome. Wi-Fi has been connected. So this is just a quick walk around on this unit here. Now before I go to drop this in the pool, I want you guys to take a quick look at this. This has a dual filtration system. That is the main basket right there. It pulls all the debris in through the basket box here. It moves a massive amount, 100 gallons of water per minute. I'm going to repeat that, 100 gallons of water. This thing is absolutely robust, latest tech, and extremely convenient and easy to use. Let's get this thing dropped in the water. So I've got the mode right now set for auto. So here we go. And what's nice about it is we got two different wheels here that pull and clean. And it's also got 4 brushless motors. Oh man, that is sweet. Can you guys see that? That is moving up vertically. Some of the best features on this particular item here, guys, is the horizontal wall line cleaning. The Scuba S1 Pro is the first pool cleaner to provide continuous horizontal pool line cleaning with the tackling one of the most common pool maintenance issues that most people have encountered. Can you guys see that this thing is climbing stairs with 100 gallons of suction per minute? The Scuba S1 Pro is one of the most powerful suctions that ensures to capture even the toughest debris, including leaves, sand, and bugs. With this dual filtration system that it also has, keep in mind the 2-layer function system, including a 3 ultra filter that filters out fine debris, captures large debris and particles. So one of the best things about this particular product, guys, is the horizontal wall line cleaning and the wave line technology. The Scuba S1 is the first pool cleaner to provide continuous horizontal wall line cleaning, tackling one of the most common pool maintenance challenges, filtering 100 gallons per minute of power. The S1 Pro has suction that ensures that it captures even the toughest debris, including leaves, sand, and bugs. With this unit, guys, this has a dual filtration system that includes a 3 ultrafine filter. It captures large debris such as algae and sunscreen. With those kind of oils, this thing simplifies it all to keep your unit and your pool and everything clean about it. Can you guys see the floating debris in here? I'm so excited to make this thing so much easier. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and recover the Scuba S Pro. Now this is the recovery hook, but I'm not going to use this because the unit right now is coming up out of the water. So all I'm going to do is reach down, grab it right here, and lift it out. In case you guys are wondering, this particular unit recognizes when it's out of water. So once it's completely out, the gears and motors on this completely stop. We're going to go ahead and check this double filtration basket. And man almighty, we got a lot of debris in there. This did quite the job. And we got that filter right there as well. Again guys, if you're looking for an awesome product to do an amazing job to get your pool clean, and you want the latest tech and advanced technology, this guy right here is going to be the deal. So to give you guys the quick rundown, we've got our S Pro right there after the Retrieval, and we got a nice glass look on our pool. We're going to take a walk around real quick here. I want you guys to see this. Now the step over on the deep side, that was filled with sediment. This thing did an amazing job. Highly encourage it.